आर वेल एंड सेफ इन दिस सिचुएशन। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम जून मंथ का वीडियो डिस्कशन करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स का। तो ये वीडियो में जो सब क्वेश्चन आएगा, जो डिस्कशन मैं करूँगी आपके साथ, वो सब बहुत सिलेक्टेड एंड इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं। ओके, सो इसको पूरा ज़रूर देखिएगा, ये वीडियो एंड होने तक देखिएगा और लाइक कीजिएगा, कमेंट में बताइएगा कि वीडियो कैसा रहा। ओके, और वीडियो स्टार्ट होने से पहले मैं और भी बताना चाहती हूँ कि हमारा जो पिरामिड क्लासेस ऐप है वो आ चुका है, तो सबको पता होगा। उसमें डिफरेंट कोर्सेस हैं और वो सब फ्री है, तो आप उसको ज़रूर डाउनलोड कीजिएगा। एंड हमारा जो मंथली करंट अफेयर्स आता है, करंट अफेयर्स का PDF आता है हर महीने, वो भी आपको हमारा वेबसाइट एंड एप्लीकेशन में मिल जाएगा। ओके, सो फ्रेंड, डोंट मिस इट आउट। ओके, तो वीडियो हम शुरू करते हैं अभी। लेट्स स्टार्ट। आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन is Arjun Singhal was appointed as the CEO of which organization recently? So the question है, Arjun Singhal was appointed as the CEO of which organization recently, and the answer is D. Here I am marking so that you can easily understand. Okay, so the answer is D, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, FSSAI. Next question. Who is the only cricket player featured in Forbes top 100 highest paid athletes of 2020? So इसका आंसर है, the answer is option C, Virat Kohli. Kohli ranked 66 rank placed by Kohli with Forbes magazine. Okay, and this टॉप में है रोजर फेडरर, और सेकेंड लिस्ट में है क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो, एंड थर्ड लिस्ट में है लियोनेल मेसी। ओके, मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। फाइंड द फर्स्ट प्राइवेट कंपनी व्हिच हैज सेंट एस्ट्रोनॉट्स इनटू द स्पेस। द आंसर इज द सेकेंड ऑप्शन, SpaceX. So SpaceX is the first private company which has sent astronauts into the space, and the CEO of SpaceX is Elon Musk. Okay, so the next one is, recently which scheme was announced by the Center to benefit small business and cottage industries? And इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन है मुद्रा शिशु. This scheme was announced by the central government to benefit small business and cottage industries. Okay, fifth one is, which bank has partnered with Chalo to launch contactless card for bus passengers? Okay, so answer is option B, Yes Bank. So this Yes Bank has partnered with Chalo. It's a mission to launch contactless card for bus passenger, or to launch a co-branded contactless travel card which in Mangalore and Udupi, which card enable users to load money on the card and to make tap-to-tap payment across buses. So it's very easy. Okay. Next one is, who took charge as Deputy Managing Director at Export-Import Bank of India, Exim Bank? So the answer is option D, Harsha Bangari. He took charge as Deputy Managing Director. The next one is, when is World No Tobacco Day observed? So I hope that the answer will be very easy for everyone, पर मैं बता देती हूँ। इसका आंसर है D, 31st May, जो कि वर्ल्ड नो टोबैको डे है। This day is observed on protecting young people from the marketing of big tobacco companies and helping them avoiding using tobacco and nicotine. Okay. Next is, who has been appointed as the new president of CII, Confederation of Indian Industry? And आंसर है इसका ऑप्शन बी, उदय कोटक. So Uday Kotak is the managing director and CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank, जो कि वो अर्ली थे, and now he has been appointed as the president of Confederation of Indian Industry. Got it? Next one. Union Cabinet approved the MOU with which country to improve cooperation in the areas of environment? So the answer is option D. So Union Cabinet approved the MOU between India and Bhutan to improve cooperation in the areas of environment. Okay. Question number 10. Which has become the first state to provide free internet for the poor? So it's a very interesting question. It seems like the answer is C, Kerala. So Kerala declares internet as the fundamental right for every citizen in the state. So, and this is the first state to do like this, to provide free internet for the poor. Okay, got it. Next one is, who was appointed as new board chairman of Twitter? So friends, we all are handling Twitter, so we should know the answer of this question. Okay, so the answer of this question is D, Patrick Pichette, who was former Google CEO and now he has been appointed as new board chairman of Twitter. Next one is, which among the following days is marked on June 5th every year? ये भी सबको शायद पता होगा, फिर मैं बोल देती हूँ. And the answer is option A, World Environment Day. So we observe every year on June 5th as World Environment Day to encourage awareness and action for the protection of our environment. Okay, so the answer is A. What is the theme of World Environment Day? जो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन गया, तो वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे का थीम क्या है? सेकेंड ऑप्शन, टाइम फॉर नेचर. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हिच प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक लॉन्च्ड समर ट्रीट्स कैंपेन रिसेंटली? Summer treat campaign is to meet the changing needs of merchant as well as salaried and self-employed customers. So this campaign has launched by HDFC Bank. So our answer is option A, HDFC Bank. Okay, next question is, who was appointed as India's permanent representative of WTO? Okay, so the answer of this question is, answer है option A, Brajendra Navneet. Okay, next one is, who has been named as the EY World Entrepreneur of the year 2020? And the answer is option D, Kiran Majumdar Shah. So she has been awarded as World Entrepreneur of the year 2020 for her contribution to improve access to affordable life-saving medicine and transform the world, and she became the third Indian to win this award. Okay, next one is, which state government launched India's first online waste management platform? Okay, so इसका आंसर होगा, आई एम मार्किंग हियर, आंसर इज डी, आंध्र प्रदेश. So India's first online waste exchange platform to ensure 100% safe disposal of industrial toxic wastes. Oh, this is very nice question. So हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? आंध्र प्रदेश is the state which is the first online waste exchange platform in India. Next one is, who were named the Women's Super League Champions 2020? And इसका आंसर है A, Chelsea. सो गॉट इट। तो आंसर होगा इसका चेल्सिया। नेक्स्ट वन इज वर्ल्ड ओशंस डे इज हेल्ड एनुअली ऑन व्हिच डेट? एंड आंसर हमारा है ऑप्शन सी 8th of June. So on this day we observed World Oceans Day to celebrate the role of the oceans in our everyday life and inspiring action to protect the ocean and sustainably use marine resources. Okay. So the next question is the World Food Safety Day is observed globally on which of these days? जो 4 डेज है इसमें से कौन से डे को हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं आज वर्ल्ड फूड सेफ्टी डे? एंड द आंसर इज 7th of June. So this day is observed to remind people of the need to have safer and healthy food for disease free life. So yeah friends, we should have healthy and better food for our life, because we are getting food and we are having food for our body, not for other else. So you have to eat healthy food. Okay. So next one is, which state topped the index that ranked states ensuring food safety in 2019-20 by FSSAI? क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया? ओके तो इसका आंसर होगा डी, गुजरात. So according to FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, the state Gujarat topped the index about the food safety. Okay, so the answer is Gujarat. Next one is, who has been appointed as the head of search and assistance of Google? And our answer is D, Prabhakar Raghavan. Okay, moving to next question. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ द रैंक ऑफ इंडिया इन द 2020 एनवायरनमेंट परफॉर्मेंस इंडेक्स? अकॉर्डिंग टू एनवायरनमेंट परफॉर्मेंस इंडेक्स इंडिया का रैंक क्या है? तो द रैंक ऑफ इंडिया इज़ 168. So India got this rank among 180 countries with a score of only 27.6 out of 100. Okay. So question number 24 is, which country has topped the environment performance index? So we got that according to environment performance index, India got 168 rank, but which country has topped this index? So the answer is D, Denmark. Denmark topped the environment performance index, and the second position is for Luxembourg and the third position is for Switzerland. ओके, यू कैन नोट इट डाउन व्हेन आई एम सेइंग. जब मैं बोल रही हूँ आप जैसे कि अभी बोली मैं डेनमार्क फर्स्ट पोजीशन में, सेकंड में लग्जमबर्ग और थर्ड पोजीशन में स्विट्ज़रलैंड. आप इसको नोट भी कर सकते हैं फॉर योर फ्यूचर पर्पस. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज, Garrison was declared the summer capital of which state or union territories? We have to know this. We have to know this answer of this question. So the answer is A, Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand governors has approved this, that Garrison will be the summer capital and Dehradun will be the winter capital of Uttarakhand. Okay. Next one is, India planned to launch its first coal trading platform जिसका नाम है कोल एक्सचेंज. So who is the present coal minister? जैसे कि इंडिया is the world's second largest production of coal, and it has decided to set up its first coal trading platform, which named is Coal Exchange, where a large number of sellers and buyers can get together to trade coal as a commodity. Got it? So आफ्टर ऑल हु इज़ द प्रेजेंट कोल मिनिस्टर? एंड इसका आंसर है प्रहलाद जोशी. Okay, next question is who has honored with NASA Distinguished Public Service Medal? And the answer is Ranjit Kumar. So Ranjit Kumar has honored with NASA Distinguished Public Service Medal. Okay, he is the engineer of Kerala and Indian entrepreneur, and this medal is the highest form of recognition, and he has been awarded for his services to NASA through executive leadership, engineering contribution and technical excellence. इस सब के लिए वो उनको अवार्ड दिया गया, ऑनर किया गया. समझ में आया? ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है रिसेंटली इंडियन एयरफोर्स डेवलप्ड व्हिच pod to evacuate critical patients from remote areas? And this is also a nice question and important question, and इसका आंसर है ARPIT. ARPIT. ARPIT is an which will be used for evacuation of critical patients who are suffering from infection. Okay, so the answer is D. Next question is who has emerged as the richest man in the world as per the latest ranking of Bloomberg Billionaire Index, which is released on 9th of June 2020. And the answer is Jeff Bezos. Who is Jeff Bezos? He is the CEO of Amazon. So he topped the list, and in the second position is Bill Gates. Okay. Next one is which among these is the world's most expensive city for expatriates in terms of cost of living as per the Mercer's 2020 cost of living survey. So according to cost of living survey, Hong Kong has topped the list. So Hong Kong is the world's most expensive city. And the top 5 expensive cities are according to Mercer's 2020 cost of living survey. You can note it down right now. First one is Hong Kong, second one is Ashgabat, and third one is Tokyo, fourth one is Zurich, and fifth one is Singapore. These are top 5 expensive cities according to this survey. Okay, next one is name the state which has launched Panchavati Yojana for the senior citizen of rural areas. And इसका आंसर है हिमाचल प्रदेश. So Himachal Pradesh CM Chief Minister Jairam Thakur launched this yojana, and under this yojana parks and gardens will be established in every development block with mandatory facilities. So this is all for senior citizens of rural areas. Okay. Question number 32. Shobha Sekar, who received Order of Australia Medal, is a renowned dash. So, who is Shobha Sekar? The question is asking who is Shobha Sekar, who received Order of Australia Medal. So the answer is fourth one, musician. She is a musician, and she is the founder of Kalakruti, which is a music organization in Australia, and she has been awarded for her services to Indian music and dance. Okay, so next one is what is the rank of India among 200 countries on COVID-19 safety assessment as per report by Deep Knowledge Group. So India का रैंक क्या है among 200 countries? And इसका आंसर है A, 56th. So India ranked 56th out of 200 countries in a comprehensive report on safety and risk assessment of nations tackling COVID-19. Okay, so the next one is which state has become the largest wheat procurer in the country recently? And इसका आंसर है D, Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh has become the largest wheat procurer in the country. Okay, so next question is, which state or union territories has launched बाल श्रमिक विद्या योजना? So इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन टू, ऑप्शन बी, उत्तर प्रदेश. And following this yojana is for child laborers who are 8 to 18 years old. Okay, so our next question is, who has received the 2020 World Food Prize laureate? And the answer is Ratan Lal. So Ratan Lal, he has received the 2020 World Food Prize for developing and maintaining a soil-centric approach to increase food production that conserves natural resources and climate change. Okay, so question number 37. Our next question is, which country has ranked the top in FIFA World Ranking released on 11th June 2020? And the answer is A, Belgium. So Belgium topped the FIFA, topped in FIFA, and the second position is for France, and third is for Brazil. Okay, so next one is, who becomes the first ever woman to reach deepest point of ocean, which is the Challenger Deep? And इसका आंसर है कैथी सुलिवान. So she is the first human to reach both the space and deepest point of ocean. Not only for ocean, but also she is the first human to reach in the space. Okay, next one is, the World Blood Donor Day was observed every year on 14th of June. What is the theme of this day? So इसका आंसर है, the theme of this World Blood Donor Day is Save Blood, Save Lives. Okay, next one is, who is set to get 1 year extension as Attorney General of India? And इसका आंसर है के वेणुगोपाल. Okay, got it. Next one is, EPFO has launched multi-location claim settlement facility recently. Okay, so EPFO function under which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Labor and Employment. Next one is, which payments bank has launched Suraksha salary account for MSMEs? And इसका आंसर है एयरटेल पेमेंट्स बैंक. दिस बैंक हैज़ लॉन्च्ड सुरक्षा सैलरी अकाउंट फॉर MSMEs. And next one is, what is the rank of India on IMD's World Competitiveness Index? So what is IMD? Institute of Management Development. So and the India's rank is 43rd. Option B, 43rd. IMD's World Competitive Index compiled by IMD, which is Institute of Management Development, with some traditional weakness like poor infrastructure and insufficient education investment. Okay, so India's rank is 43. Next one is, which country has launched Corona One app, which is a coronavirus tracing app? And the answer is D, Germany. Next one is, World Sickle Cell Day was observed every year on which date? And the answer is 19th of June. Option D, 19th of June. This day is observed to increase public knowledge and understanding about sickle cell disease. Okay. Moving to next question, and our next question is, who has been elected president of the 75th session of UN General Assembly? And the answer is D. Volkan Bozkır. He has been elected as president of the UN General Assembly. Next one is, which exchange topped the chart among 10 most valued exchange in the world as per the latest data from the World Federation of Exchange? And the answer is first one, New York Stock Exchange. Okay, and the next one is, who has won 2020 Peace Prize of the German book trade? And the answer is Amartya Sen. And Amartya Sen has won this prize, 2020 Peace Prize of the German book trade, and he has been awarded for his decades long work around issues of global justice. Okay, so our next question is, when was International Olympic Day 2020 celebrated annually? International Olympic Day is observed on 23rd of June. So due to this pandemic, the event of this Olympic Day conducted as an online event. Okay, and the last question is, who was appointed as the new CFO of Standard Chartered Bank in India? And the answer is option D, Gaurav Maheshwari. So Gaurav Maheshwari was appointed as the new Chief Financial Officer of Standard Chartered Bank. Okay, so friends, these all are our questions and answer we have discussed thoroughly. एंड फ्रेंड्स, ये सब आपको फिर से, आप अगर चाहे तो फिर से आप देख सकते हैं और इसको रिवाइज ज़रूर कीजिएगा, क्योंकि ये सब सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चन है और पॉइंट टू पॉइंट क्वेश्चन है, मतलब इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर एक होगा। तो ये रहा हमारा ये 50 क्वेश्चंस। ओके फ्रेंड्स, थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग। इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा और कमेंट भी कीजिएगा कि कैसा रहा वीडियो। Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye.